Hello everyone, I'm Said and welcome back to my channel Said. In today's video to test the Ultra HD Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the Realme X1 Max 2. As you can see, this is a Realme X1 Max which I'm trying to use. Let's see how will be the gameplay while playing in the Ultra HD settings, because few of the users they did mention that they're feeling really very lag. So one thing is that if you try to use the Ultra HD, you don't get that kind of 60 FPS option. Obviously, it will be limited to only 40 FPS. So that's another thing you should notice. I'll try to select the Ultra HD and Ultra graphics right now to demonstrate in this kind of video. I'll try to play the one match TDM and one classic match as well during this time of testing. So let's start with a normal team that match. Let's see how much the FPS will be remaining around that time of testing. That is what I'm going to check. So as I said, the FPS will be definitely remaining close to 40 only. You cannot expect 60 FPS in the Ultra HD. So that might be another reason you're feeling some kind of lag while playing the Ultra HD settings in this phone. Let me try to disable all the volume and the mic. Let's see. So using the Ultra HD is not that good option to select in the Realme X1 Max, and maybe in other phones as well using this kind of Ultra HD. So I'll definitely recommend to use the HDR and Extreme only during this time of testing, not Ultra HD anyway. So we'll be seeing only the FPS count close to 39 FPS and 40 FPS only. Nothing much you can actually expect in this kind of testings. The same kind of FPS will be anyway getting 39 FPS only. So this is the normal team deathmatch I'm trying to play right now. So let's see how will be the gameplay now. So using the Ultra HD is not a good situation, friends, to use in the gameplay. I would definitely say that. So you'll feel definitely the lag as well while playing Ultra HD. But still some users they did ask me to test. And after this match I'll definitely do the classic match type test as well, frame drop test. So in case if you have any other queries, make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of testing. So now let's move to the next test, which is a classic match drop test, which I'm going to do right now using this kind of Ultra HD settings in the boot camp. I'll try to do. So that's what the most of the people they did recommend me to use doing this kind of demonstration. Just for the testing purpose only, I just want to see how much frame drops we can actually expect during this time of testing. Let me try to select the boot camp. So now you'll be getting only 41 FPS. So that's what we can actually expect from the Ultra HD. So definitely friends, try to use the HDR and Extreme settings. There is no problem in that. HDR and Extreme you will be able to get 60 FPS, but using the Ultra HD settings only kind of really a problem. And right now I'm playing for about close to 6 minutes or 5 minutes of time. The temperature is not much. It's only 35 degrees at this moment after playing this much of time. So I'll try to do the one drop test and I'll try to end this video. I don't want to make this kind of video a very lengthy one. So always remember, friends, using the Ultra HD you do get only 40 FPS. So that is the reason you might feel some kind of lag when you're trying to play the game. So right now you should be able to see the FPS count, how much it is. So let me try to slightly zoom it in. So you'll be able to see 37 FPS I'm getting right now. So it's exactly the bootcamp map only I'm trying to drop. So 41 FPS, 40. As you can see. So 39 and close to 40 kind of FPS only did it get during this time of testing. So try to use the XDR and Extreme settings only when doing this time of testing, so that will be really good choice for a lot of other users as well, HDR and Extreme. In case if you want me to compare any other videos, definitely I'll be able to compare another topics as well on this Realme X1 Max. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and using the Ultra HD settings you will definitely feel some kind of lag while you're playing. So it comes close to 40 FPS only, not much more than that. So always remember that, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.